Okay, man, I made a weird discovery here. Might have found out how to make a desk fan sound like a Detroit Diesel. So, the fan is on the high setting right now. Can't really see that, but yeah, I somehow managed to make a Detroit Diesel sounding desk fan. So, this is what it sounds like. So, start up the thing. That's the idle sound. I'm just going to slightly throttle it, which basically means like lifting my finger up so it's less resistance. Give it a little more throttle. Now we're going to throttle up some more. Now we're going to not give it full throttle, but we're going to get it pretty high up. Now we're going to give it full. And now we're gonna like pretend like it has an actual like automatic transmission on it, which is kind of what I was trying to do with the full throttle thing. Now we're going to shut it off. Hope you enjoyed this weird video, and I don't really know what else to say. I don't have a proper outro. Thanks for watching.